In April, we thru-hiked the El Camino de Costa Rica, a 178-mile trek from the Caribbean to the Pacific coast. We were guided by Pecuari Outdoors and adventured with 13 others on this trip of a lifetime. 2 weeks, humidity, elevation, rain, and memories we will never forget. Come along with us as we show you our experiences from coast to coast and see why this is the best way to explore a country.
Bye guys. We'll see you soon.
She's like, what the heck? We were supposed to leave at 6 a.m., but then our flights got delayed, so now we went from 2 flights to 3 flights. We were supposed to get there at 1:30, now we're going to get there at 6:30, but our first flight is about ready to take off. Welcome to Costa Rica! Before we met up with our group, we spent a couple days exploring around San Jose, Costa Rica. We were amazed by how chill the country felt. It started without anyone pestering us at the airport, the streets seemed clean for a big city, and everyone we encountered had a smile on their faces. We went to the Central Market, walked around the downtown area, and looked at the mountains around us, not knowing what was coming next.
It's day one with Pecure Outdoors here in Costa Rica. It's not off to a great start, I'll say that. Grace came down with something.
I don't know what happened. It started just throwing up, and now it's been both ends, and we gotta get on the bus in an hour.
We are like 20 minutes away, but they're working on the road, so. I will be your guide at the lodge, and this is Buki. He is the captain of the boat. So, yep, let's go.
That's a howler? That one is a howler. Some with a dog? Some people sometimes get confused, like hunting dog.
Kill my fish.
Could be hotter. Well, remember when I said hopefully it's not too hard for Grace? It's been hard for Grace, and then I got hit with it. We think we got hit with some food poisoning from a Marriott of all places, a really nice Marriott. So we've been hanging out in our little cabana. There's Grace over there.
There are worse places to be.
The whole crew went out and kind of checked out a few different things, but we decided to sit back. We haven't ate lunch. It's been rough. It's been rough for sure. We've slept probably 4 hours today.
I haven't eaten breakfast or lunch.
So we're hoping Grace is better. One, because she's pregnant. Two, because we want her to have a good time. I am feeling a little bit better. I might try dinner tonight, but tomorrow's a big day, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see what happens.
I was out taking in the 3 sounds of nature.
Yeah. Day one today. 19 miles, hot, humid, banana fields. Let's go.
Maybe that's what we saw swimming away yesterday.
Oh, right here.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah.
Come to say
Look at the
bye.
people.
You just wait to get to the Pacific to find this guy. The squirrel monkey.
Oh, I love it.
Tiny one, so beauty.
The reason we got on a boat is because you have to use that form of transportation to get to the Pacific coast and touch the beach. After a night's stay, we got back on the boat to truly begin the El Camino. Here we loaded our gear into the support vehicle and started with the true start of the trail.
This is really good.
You said don't eat the seeds?
I'm gonna try again with this one.
Yeah, this.
I got too many seeds.
After about 5.5 miles, we are coming into our first village. I'm not sure what the village's name is. We don't know.
Yeah, I don't either. We've been on roads the whole time. We started on a gravel road, then paved road, and now we're on a sidewalk.
I'm hoping there are some local snacks coming up here.
In a bathroom.
Hola. So we've just arrived to a farm, and Grace said there's some. Oh my goodness! Whoa! Looks like we gotta eat kind of the same thing. Look over here, Grace. Hey! What's up, friend? How are you?
It's hot. It's steamy. But we're checking. We're at 9.87 miles. We have about 10 more to go, give or take. We'll see how many miles we actually do. I feel like they're packing extras on.
You gotta slap, slappity slap. Might have ate a little bit too much for lunch, but great spread. Really nice spread.
We're being absolutely spoiled when it comes to having all our meals cooked for
I
us,
mean,
cleaned up for us,
I don't know
water brought to us.
I don't know if we'll ever be able to do another hike unless someone's cooking and cleaning for us and setting up camp. We were about 12.5 miles at our lunch stop. The goal is 19 miles today, which leaves us with about 6.5. Our last 2 miles are going to get us a little bit up into the mountains so that we can sleep a little bit cooler. We've heard we get some cots tonight. Again, camping with cots, is that even really camping? I don't think so. We've seen 4 sloths today, and we saw a banana. I think my favorite part of the day so far is seeing the banana plant, seeing how they get the bananas, learning about the bananas. You know, you buy bananas for like 40 cents a pound at home, and I feel like we really take them for granted. There's a lot that goes into it. Anything?
You're a little nauseous.
And check out, it has a stripe in the back. You see it's hanging down. It has a stripe. That means it's a male.
So we are about to cross the highway, which is then going to take us up into the hill. Last time we crossed the highway was in the US, so we're going to cross this as a group. Let's see how it goes here. Above Grace right here is a wildlife bridge, which is cool. That'd be cool to see a jaguar up there or something. Oh.
Dang. My dad used to take me to Boy Scouts as the mascot.
You see my hand? This is where we're going to be sleeping tonight. We got a bunch of tents set up. Might be able to get a better shot in the morning. This is our nice hangout area. Bathrooms, food, hot coffee was here when we got here. This is what we're sleeping on tonight. Little cots. So, change of plans. We've moved down here because the tents are leaking. Private room here. Little privacy here. That's beautiful. Will we have more campers like that guy? Day 2.
Day 2 hiking the El Camino. We have a nice, easy 10 miles today. I mean, it's going to be hilly, but it's only 10 miles.
That does make sense.
So phase 2 on the El Camino, definitely getting into more of an incline.
Is this phase 2, or do you just mean day 2?
This is phase 2. We saw a sun yesterday towards the end of the day. I would say once phase 2 hits, you're definitely getting into more of the incline. What's our elevation at, Grace?
We're currently at 1,542, and I think our highest is like 78.
We're climbing though, because you were at 1,100 not too long ago.
Yeah.
Now it is a lot of ups and downs though, so we're gonna gain, then we're gonna lose a little elevation. It's really muddy out here today.
It rained all night long.
Rained all night. But as Grace said, we only have 10 miles. The reason we're only doing 10 miles today is because we're stopping right before the indigenous land.
When you have to get a guide when you go to the indigenous land.
So we'll be getting the guide tomorrow. We are staying at an indigenous homestead type of a spot tonight, which will be nice. And only 8 more miles till there, right? Yep. Now I'm taking a video. Hey.
El Camino! You're crushing it.
That palm tree at the top of that tree right there when you were a couple days ago, is that an air plant?
What a trek out here in the wild jungle.
We are 4.4 miles in, definitely going slower than the 17-ish miles we did yesterday. I'll tell you what, we're extremely lucky that it's not rainy season. Normally they say their rainy season goes till January, with the only month you can't do the Camino being November. If it was rainy season, I think you have to really be in the mindset of wanting to be waist high in mud and water, and getting soaked, because we've been here for 3 days and it's rained all night long, every night. So I'm glad this is dry season. I still don't even know what dry season means. I mean, I guess you are in the rainforest. It's been muddy, not too muddy to where we can't hike, but they did hook everyone up with some trekking poles if they want them. I think that's helped a lot of people out. You got away, buddy.
Hey, buddy. We've made it to phase 3. This is the edge of the national park, I think. I actually don't know because our guide's not with us. But we're entering into phase 3, which means we're almost done with the day. Oh, nice.
Nice.
Y aquí hay
Little turtle.
Fish.
tucanes.
Oh,
Aquí hay la máscara.
look at the mask.
Look at that.
Congratulations.
And the artist himself. There you go. Night 2, check this out. This is considered camping. Oh, those birds are cool. Yeah, this is considered camping right here. We all have a little private cabana.
They set up our tents for us. There's a mattress in there. There's blankets. There's sheets. Showers, bathrooms, electricity.
Dinner.
So nice.
To do the dishes. I mean, what else do you want?
Not only has there been dinner, there's been dessert every night.
And again, this is considered camping.
Check out the face. It has a long tail and then hang down. Try to see the face. Who wants the binocular? Like this angle here.
Is it like in the family of a sloth or a monkey?
It's in the family of the raccoons.
Ah.
So it's not a sloth at all?
No, it's a nocturnal. It's called King Caillou.
Like a pile of leaves.
Oh, there he is. I was too low.
I don't see
There was a
anything.
branch right where he's sitting.